5 years payment plan. You heard me. Yes, you heard me right. In this beautiful, amazing home, you can own this property that I am currently standing on with a payment plan of 5 years. That is not something you get to see every day. No, this is not something I bring to you, and this is not something just anybody would bring to you, and that is what makes this video special. This is exactly what makes this property that I'm currently standing on really special. You can check out the beautiful space, the aesthetic, everything about this home is lovely, from the finishing to the design. It's just that one thing that you come in and you say, oh my god, this is nice. Yes, this is really nice. Look at the living room section. This entire space for your family, your loved ones. Of course, you can have all the furniture right here. A bit disclaimer, that's all doesn't come with all this furniture, doesn't come with the electronics that you can see right here. This is just like a sample of what to expect or how to design your space when you roll this property. Now you have the whole living room section here. That it's also, you can put in your TV here with your TV console, beautiful chandelier, everything right here. You can just, don't worry, there are a lot of more beautiful, amazing design. You can just give your space. All boils down to you. This is exactly what I would pay for. This is actually what I'm bringing to you. And on this floor, which is the first floor, I'm currently standing here. We have the living room section. Then we have 2 rooms, one on that side and one on this other side. Let's see it. Come see it. Yeah, wait. This is the other room. Now, this is one of the rooms. Look at the entire space where you can have your mattress section right here. You can also have your AC all the way there, and you can also have your reading section right here, your mini library, just that mini space where you just have to do some work. You can have it here, and also check out the space all here, and the view is amazing. Yes, and all the rooms comes into it as well. Check out toilet and bathroom section right here. Now, this is good, and also the lighting coming in, even the toilet and bathroom is amazing. So you have your seat here, you have also your basin and also your shower section all the way bright made. This includes the shower heads, it includes your faucet, everything you just need in a toilet. This is not the masters, obviously. This is just one of the kids room that I have presented to you. And the beautiful thing about these estates is that you can choose any of the package you want. For instance, we have semi-detached, duplex, we have townhouses. You can choose a 3-bedroom maisonette. There's also apartment for you to select from. I know, right? So let's check out the other room. I'm gonna tell you the price. Yes, this is the other room in this 4-bedroom townhouse that I'm showing you. Some people know it as Terrace Duplex. Yes, this is the kids room as well. There's another kids room all the way here. So you have your mattress. Yeah, of course it doesn't come with all this mattress. It doesn't come with a mattress. It doesn't come with a TV console. But you can have your interior. Bet or better. If your choice, this is not your taste, there's always room for modification. So you can have a TV here, and this is the mattress, and all the way right here we have, yes, a toilet and bathroom section. You can have your basin here, your toilet seat, your shower, just everything you want. Of course, it's necessary. This is 21st century. It's necessary that all the rooms has to come into it. I agree with that. And this room has a balcony right where you can just go out of the head. You just go out and have the view. That is the balcony all the way here. So, so this is the balcony. Yeah, beautiful, amazing. Now, the 4-bedroom townhouse, it's in the market for 180 million naira. Yes, this is where it gets juicy. This is the juicy part. 180 million naira. You can own this unit. Wow. I know for a fact in Ikate Lekki, for those who have ever been on property search, can tell me you are free. Free, express yourself. Free, express yourself in the comment section. Let me know what your experience has been like. If you've ever, like I said and I quote, if you've ever been in the market search for a property to buy in Lekki, you can get, at the moment right now, a 4-bedroom townhouse in the market for 108 million. Like, it's magical for you to even see that price in the market. If you want to get a 4-bedroom townhouse, you should at least, on an average, if you're lucky, like really lucky, oh my god, then you should be looking at 120 million naira. But better still, most of the houses right now you're looking at 150. So buying this for 180 million naira, it's a good deal. Like a good, I like make so much emphasis about because it's so good. Let's see the masters, then you're going to tell me how good this thing is because it's really good. See. Whoa. This is what I pay for. Now this is not all the way up here. You have all of the section. Now here you can have it as a mini family lounge. You can have it as just a mini dining section. It depends on you. Yes, everything hub goes down to you. And here is your master's toilet and bathroom and your walk-in closet. So you have your walk-in closet all the way right here. And you have the toilet and bathroom section all the way right here. This has heat. Now look at the space. You have your bathtub here. You have your shower section here. You have your marble countertop, your seats, everything that you can have. Sorry, this project is still very much ongoing. For those, a lot of people who are invested. So yes, it's still very much ongoing. Come and see the space of the room. This is the master's. Ooh, this is the master's. Now look at the entire space. Damn, I felt like, oh my god, when I got to this master's, I love the space. The space is so good. You can tell me, yes, right? This is a very good space. It also has its own terrace. Oh, it has a beautiful view. So it has stairs, and you have all of the space here, and you also can have your TV guns right there. This is so good. This is amazingly good. And like I said earlier, the 4-bedroom terrace duplex, which is also known as townhouse, is in the market for 108 million naira. Then we have other options. We have a 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex. You can get it in the market. It's in the market for 114 million naira. That's juicy. You can get this. These are prices that I'm hearing, and I'm like, oh my god. Is this is this the same location? Yes, that is really juicy. Also, if you are interested in apartment, for those who are interested in apartment, there's likewise an option for apartment. So we have different segments. A 4-bedroom apartment is in the market for 78 million naira. And we also have a 3-bedroom Maisonette, which is likewise in the market for 78 million naira. And a 3-bedroom apartment is in the market for 66 million naira. These are amazing prices that you can buy outright. And if you want to spread your payment up to 5 years, this exactly will give it to you. We have it for you. What are you talking? Don't waste your time. Another beautiful thing about this home too is also the fact that once you make up to 70% payment, you can move in. Yes, you can move in right away. You can start living in your house and spread the remaining for as long as you want. Here, 2 years, 3 years, it's up to you. That is the most amazing thing about this property, about this home. Impeccable, just as different. And it's a fully serviced estate that has beautiful amenities. It has a gym, it has a pool, it has, I will show you. I'll show you most of those things. So you know for a fact that you are buying correct. You're buying correct. Yes, you're buying a very good product. You're buying a very good property. Also, now I have one interesting thing I want to tell you, especially for those who are like, oh my God, I love this, but I cannot afford to buy a property, but I can, but I want all the options. Something like this, okay? Beautiful fact is that we also have a room for you to own this kind of property better with several options like this in Ajah, Adesanya, Ajah Gumbo Road. We also have something similar like this in the market. We have a 4-bedroom, fully detached with a BQ in the market for 70 million naira. And also, you have a 4-bedroom, semi-detached plus BQ in the market for 58 million naira. And a 4-bedroom terrace duplex with a BQ for 52 million naira. And likewise, for those also interested in the apartment segment, who also want to invest in the apartment segment, you can buy a 3-bedroom apartment there for 34 million naira, a 2-bedroom apartment for 28 million naira, a 1-bedroom apartment for 19.5 million naira. Ooh. And also a 2-bedroom bungalow for 34 million naira. Oh, tell me I'm the best. Come on, tell me. I know, right? I'm bringing this to you. Have you checked the market price? Like, have you done your research? Have you checked the value of property right now? If you have done your research, you will know for a fact that I'm the best. No, I know. Tell me. I know I hear it all the time. That I'm the best. I give good deals. I bring good deals. That's why those who know me always call me, because I always give good, amazing deals. Oh, you do not want to miss out on this. Oops. Oh my gosh. I'm not even showing you the kitchen. I know you're thinking, right? I've not forgotten. I'm just kidding. Let's go check it out. Here is the kitchen right here. On the ground floor is the kitchen. Now that is something exceptional about this house. From the door, you have this open kitchen setting, and also have a dining over there that you can entertain your guests, including your guest room by the side. Now the beautiful thing about this is, I love this design. But the beautiful thing about it is that if you did not like this design the way it is, if you're like, okay, you want your living room downstairs, you want this, that, there's room for modification. You can tell us how you want it, and we are going to give it to you. But the same size you have, just like every other person, but there's always room for modification for exactly how you want this. And you have your kitchen here. Fully fitted kitchen, comes with your microwave, comes with your oven, comes with your gas cooker, comes with your washing machine, comes with beautiful cabinetry, comes with your double door refrigerator. Yes, all of this in this amazing home that you have. And this property also comes with in-built speaker, beautiful chandelier, everything, good finishing, impeccable sighting that you can just get anywhere. I told you it's connected to a guest room, right? Here is your guest room. So your guests don't have to come upstairs. Just like any other thing. So you have your guest toilet and bathroom all the way right here, including your guest room. Yes. Ta-da! 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 Don't mind, I like to make silly facial expression. But this is your guest room. Everything that you need in this home is there for you. This is not your regular home. This is not everything that you... In fact, I'm speechless. Did I tell you that I am speechless? This home is not your regular design. This home is not your regular price. This is a good design. This is better. This is out in the market and it's fast selling. Guess what? Right now, the entire phase 1 in the entire Ikate is sold out. And we have a phase 2 just currently ongoing beside it, and that is what is fast selling. We have just fewer units here and left. You do not want to miss out on this. That's why you have to come and pay. Just make an initial deposit and spread your payment plan. However you want. If you want to make an outright purchase, you can go ahead and make an outright purchase with no interest rate. But if you want to spread it up to year 2, 3, 4, 5, that's up to you. That's up to you to make such decision. That I bring to you. I'm the best, yes. Look at the environment, very lovely space with amazing finishing. Look at the space. So for each unit, you have the parking space right in front of your house. You can park your cars, you can park up to 2 cars in front of your house. We also have designated spaces for your guests to also park their cars. So we also have the pool section here. That's the gym house. Very amazing infrastructures and facilities right here in this estate, and it comes with 24 hours electricity, it comes to security, it comes with a lounge, it comes with amazing infrastructure that you need to make life so easy. In the heart of Ikate, Lekki, you can hold a unit here. You can buy a property right here. Now, if you're familiar with most locations like Legacy Beach, a lot more, you just found yourself the right location, because this property is in a good location in a gated and secured estate, giving you that safety that you desire and a home. This is home sweet home. This is a home you want for yourself. I know, right? Excellent home you want for your loved ones. How about you pick the call right now? Pick that phone and put a number right there on your screen. Dial the number right there on your screen. You can also send us a WhatsApp message. We for conversation anytime. Send us a WhatsApp message, and we'll always be there to answer you any time of the day, because we know for a fact that you deserve this home. I know you need. This is 2023 ranks. Don't do that anymore. Like, the value of things are going up. Don't pay rent. Come and own a home of your. Just come. Whatever it is, be it semi-detached, terrace, duplexes, apartment, you have in different categories that you can choose from. Either you choose the ones we have right here in Ikate, or you like us choose the ones we have in Ajah. You can pick one. So if you're new to this page, just found this amazing girl right here, this real estate informant, always bringing you juicy offer, amazing deals on what else not deal. You know how to always deliver and never disappoint. So thank you for choosing to watch this video, and I hope you click on the subscribe button and notification bell, because in here, always welcome everybody. Welcome to the Family University for Month, where we'll bring you amazing deals. So I want you to click on the subscribe button and notification bell so you do not miss out on any of our property updates. It's a big pleasure. I'm very honored to be able to share this amazing news with you, and I love to see you on our next talk. Please hope to stick around, because you would not be missing out. See you soon.